So if you've been looking at the supplements to up your gains, you probably come across two types of protein powder: Whey in a sketchy nondescript bottle and Casein. So which one's better for you? What's the differences? Let's just dive in. So to start, both Whey and Casein are derived from milk, but from there the similarities mostly end. Whey is the more common type of protein, usually the stuff that you see on the shelves at like Walmart and GNC, and it is much more faster digesting than Casein is. It's really good if you want just a quick burst of protein, so just like after you work out where your muscles are really susceptible for a high dose of protein, taking Whey is a probably good idea, entering your bloodstream in about 30 minutes. Casein, on the other hand, takes a lot longer to digest. Usually it takes about 6 to 8 hours to entirely burn through. So when you're going through a long period without any protein, as if like going to bed, for example, you might want to dabble with Casein instead. I don't know, I found dabble to be so funny. So that being said, which one's right for you? Should you have Whey or should you try to take Casein? Well, I would recommend if you're just looking to up your daily protein amount, I would recommend just taking Whey. Comes in more flavors, it's cheaper, and a lot more accessible. However, if you really do want a good long period, However, if you really want to fine tune and dial in your protein game, really making sure that you have protein throughout the whole day, I would recommend trying Casein out. However, just know Casein is slightly more expensive, but however, for the gains, for you, it might be worth it.